Putri, you can call me Lutfia. I am a student at Rumah Belajar Bersama, a place to study English, Arabic, and mathematics, learn reading and writing for kids, recite Quran, etc. I live in Bulukumba, Organisi Sulawesi Provinsi Indonesia. Yang Anda lakukan? Saya memberikan pelajaran bahasa Inggris kepada seorang penjual. John menjawab, namanya Luigi. Kami telah menjadi teman baik. Tapi Anda bukan guru, saya berkata. Saya memberitahu Luigi bahwa saya tidak bisa mengajar. John menjelaskan, tapi dia bersikeras untuk mendapatkan pelajaran percakapan. Dia ingin mempraktikkan bahasa Inggrisnya. Dia memiliki banyak pelanggan Amerika, jadi itu penting bagi dia untuk berbicara dalam bahasa Inggris. Saya menghabiskan 3 jam sehari untuk mengobrol dengannya. Sebagai imbalan, dia memberikanku sebuah kamar, 3 kali makan sehari, dan sedikit uang saku. Apakah pelajarmu banyak belajar bahasa Inggris? Saya bertanya. Saya tidak tahu, John berkata, tapi saya belajar banyak bahasa Italia. Jawablah pertanyaan ini. Apakah sepupumu John masih di sekolah? Dia adalah seorang pelajar universitas, bukan? Tidakkah John pergi ke Italia tahun lalu? Dia berada di sana selama 2 bulan, bukan? Apakah John bermaksud berada di Italia untuk jangka waktu yang lama? Dia selalu mempunyai sedikit uang, bukan? Tidakkah dia mengajar bahasa Inggris di Italia? Apakah pelajarnya seorang tukang daging? Pelajarnya adalah penjual bahan makanan, bukan? Apakah Luigi ingin praktek bahasa Inggris? Luigi mempunyai banyak konsumen orang Amerika, bukan? Apakah John belajar beberapa bahasa Italia? Siapa yang mengajar bahasa Inggris di Italia tahun lalu? Siapa yang menginginkan untuk praktek bahasa Inggrisnya? Siapa yang mempunyai banyak konsumen orang Amerika? Siapa yang belajar banyak bahasa Italia? Apakah John seorang pelajar universitas atau apakah dia masih di sekolah? Apakah John kaya atau apakah dia selalu kekurangan uang? Apakah John berada di Italia selama 2 minggu atau 2 bulan? Apakah John mendapatkan pekerjaan sebagai guru atau sebagai seorang penjual bahan makanan? Apakah John mengajar bahasa Inggris atau bahasa Italia? Apakah Luigi ingin praktek bicara atau menulis? Kapan John pergi ke Italia? Berapa lama dia berada di sana? Kenapa Anda terkejut ketika Anda mendengar ini? Berapa lama John sebenarnya bermaksud tinggal di Italia? Bagaimana John mengatur untuk tinggal di Italia selama 2 bulan? Apa yang John ajarkan? Kenapa Luigi ingin mempraktekkan bahasa Inggrisnya? Apa yang John dapatkan sebagai imbalan pada pelajaran yang dia berikan? The student teacher. My cousin John is a university student. Last year he went to Italy and stayed there for 2 months. I was surprised that John was able to have such a long holiday because he never has any money. How did you manage it, John? I asked. I thought you were going to stay for 2 weeks. It was easy, John answered. I got a job. A job, I exclaimed. What did you do? I give English lessons to a grocer, John answered. His name is Luigi. We have become great friends. But you're not a teacher, I said. I told Luigi I could teach, John exclaimed. But he insisted on having conversation lessons. He wanted to practice his English. He has a lot of American customers, so it is important for him to speak English. I spend there hours a day talking to him. In return, he gave me a room, 3 meals a day, and a little pocket money. Did your pupil learn much English? I asked. I don't know, John said, but I learned a lot of Italian. Answer this question. Is your cousin John still at school? Yes, he is. He's a university student, isn't he? Yes, he is. Didn't John go to Italy last year? Yes, he is. He stayed there for 2 months. Did he? Yes, he is. Did John intend to stay in Italy for so long? Yes, he is. Did John intend to stay in Italy for so long? No, he is not. He's always short of money, isn't it? Yes, he is. Didn't he teach English in Italy? Yes, he is. Was he pupil a butcher? Yes, yes, he is. His pupil was a grocer once he. Yes, he is. Did Luigi want to practice his English? Yes, he is. Luigi has a lot of American customers, hence he. Yes, he is. Did John learn any Italian? Yes, he is. Who taught English in Italy last year? John. Who wanted to practice his English? Luigi. Who has a lot of American customers? Luigi. Who learned a lot of Italian? John. Is John an university student or is he still at school? John a university student. Is John rich or is he always short of money? John stayed in Italy for 2 months. Did John stay in it? Did John get a job as a teacher or as a grocer? John get a job as teacher. Did John teach English or Italian? John Luigi want to practice speaking. Did Luigi want to practice speaking or reading? John teaches English. When did John go to Italy last year? How long did he stay there? 2 months. Why were you surprised when you heard this? Because he never has any money. How long did John originally intend to stay in Italy? Because he never has any money. How did John manage to stay in Italy for 2 months? I got a job. What did John teach? I give English lesson to a grocer. Why did Luigi want to practice his English? Because he has a lot of American customers. What did John get in return? Return the lesson he gave. Around 3 meals a day and a little pocket money. Das siang mereka tinggalkan. Polisi menerima laporan bahwa 6 orang telah menghentikan sebuah mobil van. Van tersebut membawa gaji pabrik dan orang-orang itu menyeram pengemudi. Mereka mengikatnya dan telah mencuri salah satu tas. Setelah mencari selama 3 jam, para polisi menemukan van itu di dekat sungai. Sopir itu sedang duduk di atas tasnya di dalam van dan tangannya diikat di belakang punggungnya. Para pencuri telah mengikat dengan sapu tangan di sekitar mulutnya agar dia tidak dapat berteriak. Para polisi naik ke bagian belakang van dan membebaskan pengemudi. Kemudian mereka bertanya kepadanya apa yang telah terjadi. Saya dihentikan dengan segera setelah saya meninggalkan ban. Pengemudi itu menjelaskan 6 orang menghentikan van saya dan menyuruh atau memaksa saya mengemudi ke sungai. Jika Anda berteriak, salah satu dari mereka berkata, "Kami akan menembakmu." Ketika saya tiba di sungai, mereka mengikatku, lalu mereka melemparkanku ke belakang van. Ada 2 tas di belakang dan pencuri mengambil salah satu dari tas tersebut. "Berapa banyak uang isinya tas itu?" seorang petugas poli bertanya. "Tidak ada uang sama sekali," supir tertawa. "Tas itu penuh dengan surat-surat. Yang satu ini berisi penuh uang. Saya telah duduk di atasnya selama 3 jam. Jawablah pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini. Apakah 7 mobil menghentikan sebuah mobil? Apakah mobil van membawa barang-barang? Mobil van itu sedang membawa barang-barang, bukan? Tidakkah para pencuri mengikat pengemudi? Para polisi menemukan mobil, bukan? Para pencuri telah menyerang pengemudi, bukan? Dapatkah pengemudi itu berteriak meminta tolong? Tidakkah ada 2 tas di bagian belakang mobil van itu? Apakah pencuri itu mengambil 2 tas itu? Apakah para pencuri itu mengambil isi tas yang berisi uang? Apakah pengemudi itu sedang duduk di belakang mobil van selama 3 jam? Siapa yang menyetop mobil van itu? Siapa yang telah mengikat pengemudi dan mencuri salah satu tas? Siapa yang menemukan mobil itu? Apakah mobil itu sedang membawa gaji-gaji atau barang-barang? Apakah mobil van itu dihentikan oleh para pencuri atau para polisi? Apakah para pencuri mengikat pengemudi atau apakah mereka menembaknya? Apakah para pencuri meninggalkan mobil van di dekat sungai atau apakah mereka menjatuhkannya dari sungai? Apakah para pencuri itu mengambil salah satu tas atau keduanya? Apakah para pencuri itu mengambil tas yang berisi uang atau surat-surat? Apa yang mobil van itu sedang bawa? Berapa lama para polisi mencari mobil van itu? Mengapa pengemudi itu tidak bisa berteriak meminta pertolongan? Di mana para pencuri itu meninggalkan mobil van itu? Apa yang telah dilakukan para pencuri itu jika pengemudi telah berteriak meminta pertolongan? Tas yang mana pencuri itu telah ambil? Lesson 28. The bag they missed. The police received our report that 6 men had stopped a van. The van was carrying factory wax, and the men had attacked the driver. They had tied him up and had stolen one of the bags. After searching for their house, the police found the van near the river. The driver was sitting on a bag in the van, and his hands were tied behind his back. The thieves had tied a handkerchief around his mouth so that he won't shout. The police climbed into the back of the van and freed the driver. Then they asked him what had happened. "I was stopped soon after I left the van," the driver exclaimed. "6 men stopped my van and made me drive to the river. If you shout," one of them said, "we'll shoot you when I got to the river." They tied me up. Then they threw me into the back of the van. There were 2 bags in the bag, and the thieves took one of them. "How much money did the bag contain?" a police officer asked. "It didn't contain any money at all," the driver laughed. "It was full of letters. This one contains all the money. I've been sitting on it for their house." Answer this question. Had 6 men stopped a van? No, they is not. Was the fan crying ghost? Yes, it is. It was crying wax once it. Yes, it is. And the TV stayed up the driver. Yes, he is. The police found the fan did they? Yes, he is. The thieves had attacked the driver and they. No, yes, he is. Called the driver shot for help. No, he is not. Were there two bags in the back of the van? Yes, it is. Did the thieves take Tim pot? No, he is not. Did the bag the thieves stock contain any money? No, he is not. Has the driver been sitting in the back of the van for 3 hours? Yes, he is. Wow, stop it, the van. Thieves. Wow had it up the driver and stolen one of the bags. Thieves. Wow found the van. Police. Was the fan crying wax or goods? The fan crying was. Was the fan stopped by thieves or by the police? The fan stopped by thieves. Did the thieves tie up the driver or did they shoot him? The thieves tie up the driver. Did the thieves leave the van near the river or did they drive away in it? The thieves leave the van near the river. Did the thieves take one of the bags or both of them? The thieves take one of the bags. Did the bag the thieves took contain money or letters? The thieves take one of the bag the thieves took contain letters. What was the fan crying? Was crying factory weeks. How long did the police search of the van? For 3 hours. Why called the driver shot for help? Because the thieves had did a headcar self round his mouth.
Dari mana aku tahu? Aku bilang dicari.
Where did the thieves leave the van? The river. What would the thieves have done if the driver had shouted for help? The thieves had did a headcar. The thieves had tied a
handkerchief nyambungin itu
handkerchief
around his mouth.
Handkerchief round his mouth. Which bag did the thieves take? It was full of letters. By practicing English every day, I'm sure we can be fluent because it really helps to understand more. See you next reading. I am Lutfia. We are the voice of the world. Miss you all, rumah belajar bersama. Bye bye.